Hey, this is Boni. I am a fourth year of Communication and Information Technology student at the University of Antananarivo, Madagascar. I have successfully acquired multiple certificates and diplomas, like English diploma at CNELA, TOEFL certificate, neuromarketing at Copenhagen Business School in 2022, infographic arts in Cal Arts University. Since 2019, I've been a Greenquist member. It was such a blessing for me to meet this association, which gives young people a room of improvement and especially push them up to reach their goals. So today, I'm gonna be talking about how Greenquist helped me out and changed my life. First of all, leadership skills. I can say that I can hone my leadership skills thanks to this association. I want to tell you something. There was a day when I was self-doubting and afraid of trying new things in my life and stepped out of my comfort zone. I have worked really hard to grow personally, but it would have been impossible without the help of Greenquist. As a result, within just 1 year with Greenquist, I could lead an English club in my community to help young people, especially young English lovers, to improve their English skills and to boost their confidence. Secondly, there's a good saying, if you don't know where you're going, and the road will get you there. So to be successful in life, I know that it's a must to have a mentor that will support me and guides me to the right path towards my goals. Greenquist has offered me valuable insights and perspectives that tremendously help me out to navigate through various challenges and decisions in my life. So I'm really thankful for the sagacity and the learned lessons they've shared. You know what? The key on success is that I pay heed to their constructive feedbacks and use it when I negotiate or communicate with people. But I can ensure that most of them work perfectly. Firstly, Greenquist provides me encouragement, motivation that really help me to stay on track when faced challenges. All the members in this association are like a family. We are fostering a growth mentality, have a social network group that we can share with and promote a culture that values continuous learning and improvement. In 2020, Greenquist gave me a very powerful computer that really helped me to improve my technical skills as I want to be an entrepreneur. To own a communication agency. So thanks to this, I can solidify a lot of required skills to be more competitive in this field, such as communication skills, leadership and management skills, especially the creative and innovative thinking. To put it in a nutshell, my life is full of adventure, and I've gone through ups and downs in life. But the matter is that I never give up. Everything strengthens me to be the best version of myself. So I can obviously tell that it's a pride being a member of this Greenquist association. Finally, my main goal is to be a great leader, to follow the footsteps of Greenquist leader, indeed to go an extra mile to feel much more the sweet smell of success. All in all, it's obvious that Greenquist intends to take my skills into the next level. So I'm very thankful. That's all for now. Thank you very much. Bye.